How to install a hinged door closer. Step 1. Carefully read the instructions that comes with the package. Step 2. Fix bracket to the hinge jab between 13 to 25 millimeters away from the security door in the closed position. Always make sure the top of bracket is level with the top of the spline channel of door. Once leveled, pre-drill holes and fix off with screws supplied. Step 3. Adjust the position of the hold bracket. To do that, close door and attach closer body to find the position for door bracket fixing. Once in position, fix off with screws provided. Step 4. Connecting closer to brackets. To adjust the closing speed, turn the screw at the end of the closer body. Step 5. Check if the closer is in working order and the door shut at reasonable pace.